we have a plant nursery literally across the county road from the farm, and they had, I don't know how many tons, years and years worth of composted potting soil, as it turns out. They get plants in these pots, and they'd empty out the pots into a large pile. And over the years, it grew, probably 60, I'm going to guess 60, 70 feet long, 20 feet wide, and well over our heads. They were going to get rid of it, and so we went over with a tractor, a truck, and a dump trailer for several days and got just a really large amount of this stuff. The only issue, and it's a minor one, was that the potting soil had some detritus in it. There were some broken pots, some old root balls, and so on. So as we were using it, we were having to kind of go through and pick everything out. So David, my brother here, came up with a method using the skid steer, just laid a fence panel over a piece of equipment there, and can scoop up the soil, shake it out, and get rid of the large chunks of stuff. So now we've got a mountain of composted composted potting soil that we're using in the gardens. And the plants do love it. They really love it. So price was right, and it's a quick way to strain out some soil. Thanks for watching.